How to customize joystick size in Among Us mobile games. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. So let's open Among Us game. Once we open that, we will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. So we will simply go to settings. So let's click on settings on left down side. Once we click on setting, here you guys will see controls, touch, joystick. So simply click on joystick. Also in joystick down you guys will see size. So for example, I want to reduce size, or I will simply move on left, like for example I will make it smaller. And if I want to make size bigger, I will simply make it full. That's it. That's how you guys can control your joystick in Among Us mobile game. Thanks for watching.